Hi, my name is Diane Parr. I'm 37 years old and I'm a stay at home mom. So, for the longest time, I was trapped by deception, all lies of the enemies regarding the talent God gave me. I started singing at church at the age of 6, and I never left music ministry since I was a child. 2011, I came back to Philippines from Norway. It is also the same year I met my husband, Ted. Ted got involved in the music ministry. And year after year, he is encouraging me to audition in the music ministry. These are the lies of the enemy. Sabi niya, you are not good. You are not talented at all. Hindi maganda yung boses mo. You are not right for the part. You don't belong in that ministry. For more than 10 years, it kept me from serving the ministry that I am destined to. Finally, I've decided, sige na nga, try ko ulit, sali na ulit ako. I passed the audition. Just when we are about to be rostered to a Sunday service, pandemic hits. During that time, I cried. Talagang sobrang heartbroken talaga ako. I cried to the Lord, why? Talaga bang is it your will na talagang hindi ako makakanta sa'yo? It's me starting to believe those lies again. 2023, naka-attend kami ng seminar sa Wisdom Church of Manila. It was about your authority, your identity in Christ. We were invited by my cousin Esther, and I'm glad I said yes. I remember during that seminar, it was break time. I'm crying. Kasi there was this verse na sinabi ni Dr. Nazir, yung John 3:16. Sabi doon, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Noon, sobrang plain na Bible verse lang yon. And ngayon, kapag naririnig ko yon, it was so plain and simple for me back then. Pero ngayon, ang revelation sa akin, I was bought at a price na kahit anong currency dito sa earth can never compare to. So the desire of joining into music ministry came back into my heart. Bago ako mag-join ng music ministry sa Wisdom Church of Manila, I sought the Lord, and right now, I know how to fight back na. And then audition day came, the enemy is trying to attack me again. Ayan ka na naman, susubok ka na naman. Yung lips ko literally, nag-shake siyang ganon. As in, di ko maintindihan bakit siya nag-shake. I went out sa restroom, I prayed, and I declared, sabi ni Lord, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Paulit-ulit hanggang makating ulit ako dito sa auditorium. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. As in, sinisigaw ko na. Then it was my turn. So I passed the audition, and I'm so happy to say that I am now serving my Lord and King with the talent that He gave me. All glory to the Lord. I believe there is someone who is watching this recording na the same battle, na katulad ng pinagdaanan ko, na the enemy is trying to hinder you sa pag-join sa ministry, sa pag-serve kay Lord. You know, the God that we serve is so worthy, and if we offer ourselves to Him, it's a form of worship when we serve in the ministry. So I encourage you, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-register ka na sa ating MOH for volunteer. So trust me, it's so worth it.